A very warm namaste to everyone. Today, at our Alwal branch, we have organized one project display with the title, you all can see, Yuva 1.0 Innovation Ki Udan. This means here we are going to nurture our children with encourage them with creativity and also enhance and help them to think and to do more research, increase research skills among them and to bring creativity, analytical skills. Here, along with the teachers, parents, and students, they have collaborated and organized, brought so many projects which are displayed, and all the parents today they were very happy to see and they took part in this project display. And children put lot of efforts in the mathematics. One room is allotted and it is popularly given the heading future power, and how CBSE has given importance to multilingualism. One room is allotted for all the three languages, Hindi, English, and Telugu. And social science, in one room, all the projects are displayed where the importance of ATM, how to open account, and minor importance of minor account, everything has been organized, discussed by students. And science room, that is innovative room with the scientific bent of mind, parents are highly appreciating, and the projects which are played and they have seen it and really encouraged and thank the management and the organization. And one more important thing is the importance of digital literacy. Okay, in the present scenario, importance of AI, which was brought, explained by our students through 3D models and Nobel laureates. And in Kalam block, importance of Kala Setu project in collaboration with Jharkhand, and a student parent teacher led conference which was attended by all the parents, which has brought laurels to Pallavi Model School. Here I would like to tell, two guests have come to our school. That is, two guests means we have not invited. One of our parent has brought them. They children are studying in different schools. They came here, they saw and wanted to see, and now they are highly impressed and wanted to put their children here. So this is indirectly, thank you, Chairman Sir. This is, we are getting admissions through this Yuva 1.0 Innovation Ki Udan. Thank you.
I especially love yoga because I used to practice, but from last 2 3 years I have been not practicing. I have stopped due to my work, and but I love yoga. It's a way of life. What it has written, absolutely, I love the way they are getting lessons here in the school. I think this should not stop. This should be there till they are here in the school, so they will practice how to calm them down. It's amazing. Yoga is a absolutely amazing thing, and the beauty of yoga is you can do it anywhere. Okay, you don't need any gadgets or anything. You can sit, do some asana, and you are done, sorted. So I love, thank you so much all the teachers who've been doing putting a lot of effort for all the students, and all the students, you did fantastic. Loved your energy. It's too good. I love the energy, and I'm taking a few of your energies also back to my home. Thank you so much for doing all. Keep doing, keep shining. That's all. Thank you.
ఈరోజు మేము రైతు నుండి ఏఐ వరకు వ్యవసాయంలో మార్పులలో వచ్చాయో రోల్ ప్లే ద్వారా చూపిస్తున్నాము. అబ్బా, అసలు ఈ వేసవి కాలంలో పంటలు పండించడం అంటే ఎండ ముందు యుద్ధం చేసినట్టే. అసలు అన్ని నాతల మీదే. ఎరువు ఖరీదు పెరిగిపోయింది, వానేమో తగ్గిపోయింది, అసలు ప్రకృతి ఏమో సహకరించడం లేదు. ఎలా చేయాలో ఏంటో. అవును, నేనెందుకు నిరాశపడాలి? నేను మాత్రం మనసులో ఉంటే మట్టిలో అదే జీవం పెరుగుతుంది. నేను మాత్రం పంట చేస్తూనే ఉంటాను. ఓ అమ్మాయి, చూసినాడు, అసలే చాలా కష్టపడి పంటను పెంచాను. అవును, ఎవరు నువ్వు?
భయపడకు రాము, నేను నీ భవిష్యత్తు రూపాన్ని, రోబో రైతు. నన్ను నువ్వు సిరి అని పిలవచ్చు.
అవును సిరి, నువ్వు మనిషిలా ఉన్నావు. బ్యాటరీతో ఛార్జ్ అవుతావా?
అవును, నేను సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ ఏఐ పవర్ తోనే ఛార్జ్ అవుతాను. నేను ప్రకృతికి మంచి చేసే రోబోని. ఇక మీ మానవ శ్రమ తగ్గిపోతుంది. డ్రోన్స్, సెన్సర్స్ మరియు రోబోట్స్ ఉపయోగపడతాయి.
అవునా? డ్రోన్ అంటే ఏంటి? అది ఎద్దులాగా పనిచేస్తుందా ఏంటి?
కాదు రాము, అది ఆకాశంలో ఎగిరి పంటలపై ఎరువు చల్లుతుంది. ఇంకా పురుగులుంటే చూసి నీ కాళ్ళను కూడా చేస్తుంది.
అవునా? వాటికి కెమెరాలు ఉంటాయా? అయితే ఆ కెమెరాలో చూసి నా మామిడికాయల నుంచి మామిడికాయలు ఎవరు దొంగలిస్తున్నారో చూస్తాను. వాళ్ళకుంటది చూడు.
అదే కాదు రాము, పంటల ఆరోగ్యం పర్యవేక్షణ, తక్కువ శ్రమ, ఇంకా వాతావరణం విషయాలు కూడా తెలిసిపోతాయి.
అంటే నువ్వు వానలు వస్తాయో లేదో మా ఊరి జ్యోతిషుడి కంటే బాగా చెప్పగలవు అన్నమాట.
అవును, మరి వాళ్ళకంటే బాగా చెప్తాను.
అయితే ఇంకా నువ్వు వచ్చిన తర్వాత మా రైతులు ఈ వ్యవసాయానికి అవసరం లేదా? ఈ శ్రమంతా వృధానేనా? నో,
కాదు కాదు రాము, అలా ఏం జరగదు. మీరిక తెలివిగా పంటలు పండించవచ్చు.
అవునా? అదేంటి? అవునా? అయ్యో, మరి నేను ఎలా చేయను ఇప్పుడు? అసలు ఇంత శ్రమ ఎలా వృధా అయిపోతుంది కదా.
వృధా అవుతుంది రాము, మన ఇద్దరం కలిసి పంటలు పండిస్తే నీకు ఇక శ్రమ ఉండదు. అందుకే అప్పుడు మీకు తిరుగు ఉండదు.
అవును, నీలో ఏమైనా లోపాలు ఉన్నాయా?
ఎందుకుంటా రాము, ప్రతి ఒక్కరిలో లోపాలు ఉంటాయి. మా పంటల వల్ల, మా రోపాల వల్ల పంటలకు సహాయపడే పురుగులకు ప్రమాదం మించి ఉంది. అందుకే నువ్వు నేను కలిసి వ్యవసాయం చేద్దాం. అప్పుడు మీకు ఇక తిరుగు ఉండదు.
అంటే ఇక మా రైతులకు తిరుగులేదన్నమాట.
తగిన మాట చెప్పావు రాము.
ఎంత టెక్నాలజీ వచ్చినా రైతు పండించిన పంటే తింటున్నాము కదా. అందుకే దేశానికి వెన్నెముక రైతు, రైతే రాజు. జై కిసాన్.
So ma'am, this is like an investment. So first, with this help, we can store more money than keeping it in a bank. Because in bank, we have to store more, like we have to pay the interest, which is not that good. But we'll make more money if we store in this investment. This is like more in. Now she will explain retirement.
So these are the mistakes to avoid in retirement planning. The first and foremost mistake that everyone do is procrastination and delaying plan. So procrastination and delaying plan is the worst mistake that everyone does, because it may affect your future investments or savings. Next is ignoring emergency funds and healthcare costs. Ignoring emergency funds and healthcare costs. It may, like, we don't know when we retire or when we get emergency, so we better like save it before you know. Next, dependence solely on employer provident funds. So we should not depend on those provident funds every time, because we can make our own, we can save our own. Next, underestimating expenses and inflation. You should not underestimate the expenses, because we don't know when they'll rise and when they'll low. So you better make a planning of the expenses that are rising. Lack of diversification in investment. So investments are plays a key role in everyone's life. Without investment, we cannot like save money properly. So you should not underestimate in investment.
Find that. And then goes inside. Yeah. This is basically an investment. It helps us to like store money. Rather than going to the bank, we can store, because in bank we have to pay interest. So more money is beneficial in this only.
Namaste everyone, this is Pallavi Bank, and for that you'll have to open an account. There is every service provided in our bank, and this is the checkbook. Please do take a look. This is the checkbook, and there is a digitalized website for us. It's a prototype, and please do take a look. every service is provided in our bank, even a loan, gold loan, everything is there. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Anaya and I'm the captain of Terrain Club. Today I'm here to talk about the significance of our Bal Mela and the theme, which is Yuva. Youth is that magical phase of life in which dreams are bigger than fears, in which curiosity is louder than doubt, and in which you don't look for opportunities, you create them. Yes, that is Yuva. We are the waves of life. We are the young innovative minds and creative skills that are used in the world around us. Take a look around you. APJ Abdul Kalam. When he was young, he wanted to fly, and now he's known as the Missile Man of India. Look around you, Gitanjali Rao. She dreamed of clean water and even found a solution for that before completing high school. All of the young minds over here, innovative minds, be it artists, artisans, be it athletes, all of them making their country proud using their skills in one way or another. That is us. After all, we are the fire of curiosity, the fire to prove, the fire to dream. And we make sure that our better tomorrow is built by us. We are the strength of our better tomorrow. In the end, I like to say that when the world moves around with compassion and love, the Yuva follows. Thank you.
राव तुम्हें तो मालूम ही है मैं दुनिया का सबसे तेज हूँ मैं जानता हूँ लेकिन हमेशा तेज से चलने की क्या जरूरत है कभी कभी धीरे चलने में भी मजा आता है बोरिंग तुम तो हमेशा धीरे ही चलते हो मैं असली मजा है शायद हाँ तुम भागते हुए सारी चीजें मिस कर देते हो मैंने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं जिंदगी एक दौड़ नहीं है दोस्त सफर है हमें उसका लेना चाहिए तुम कहते हो चलो थोड़ी देर इसकी छाया में बैठते हैं जरूर सीख हर चीज में जल्दबाजी मत करो जीवन का आनंद लेने के लिए धीमा होना भी जरूरी है ధన్యవాద్ స్వాగతం సుందర సౌమ్యమైన భాష మన తెలుగు భాష ఎవరైతే అందంగా వ్రాస్తారో వారికి చిత్రకళ సొంతం అవుతుందిట ఎందుకంటే మన తెలుగు భాషలో అన్ని మెలికలు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి పూర్వం గురువు గారు పిల్లలతో వర్ణమాలను వల్లే వేయించేవారు ఎందుకంటే అలా కంఠస్థం చేయడం వల్ల ముఖం నుంచి నోరు వరకు మనకు తెలియకుండానే వ్యాయామం జరుగుతుంది తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి తెలుగు తేనెలో తీయటి స్వరాన్ని ఆస్వాదించండి ఆ ఆ అనే అక్షరాలు పలకడం ద్వారా ముఖమంతా వ్యాయామం జరుగుతుంది క ఖ గ గ జ్ఞ పలకడం ద్వారా కంఠ భాగం ఛ ఛ జ జ జ్ఞ కంఠ పై భాగం కంఠ నాలుక భాగం ట ట డ డ న నాలుక మధ్య భాగం త త ద ద న నాలుక కోస భాగం ప ప బ మ పెదవులు య ర ల వ సే ష స హ అక్షబండి ర నోటితో పలుకుతూ వ్యాయామం జరుగుతుంది అందుకే అన్నారు శ్రీకృష్ణదేవరాయలు దేశలందు భాష తెలుగు లెస్స అని
Pallavi Radio, feel the vibe. Innovation energy, we come alive. From Alwal to anywhere you go, it's your 1.0, the innovation show.
Namaste, Pallavi. Welcome to the most happening frequency of the day, Pallavi Radio. You are 1.0.
And we are your hosts for the day, the Future Squad. All right, a quick weather check.
The weather report came in. You know what it said? There's a probability of 100% sunshine, 200% energy, and 0 room for boredom.
But there's a high chance of laughter showers, idea storms, and much more across the world. So keep those creativity umbrellas ready. Sonia say shower. So Ajay Sanvi, what happened? Ajay Sucharita, don't you know? It's a legendary actor's birthday.
Now I would like to ask to the audience, can you guess which famous celebrity's birthday it is today?
Don't know.
I would like to give you a clue. 7 करोड़ का प्रश्न आपके स्क्रीन पर.
Amitabh Bachchan.
सही जवाब 7 करोड़.
Wishing him lots of happiness, success, and continued inspiration to many. Ilahi mera
जिया है इलाही मेरा जिया है
You know what makes Pallavi Model School Alwal truly special? We don't just teach, we ignite curiosity and creativity. That's what makes us a family of achievers, dreamers, and innovators.
Now, if you want your children to experience holistic development and joyful learning, come join us in the Pallavi family. And now, finally, we would like to conclude this vibrant session of Yuva 1.0.
Until next time, this is your Future Squad. I'm RJ Sucharita.
I am RJ Akash.
I am RJ Sanvi.
And I'm RJ Shloka. Voice of Youth, a board of innovation. Pallavi Radio, signing off.
Hello, this is a very nice event organized by this school. I'm myself a student of this school, and my small sister is also studying here. The school is very interactive. This event is helping parents interact with all the teachers, all the students, learning new things, and also helping students into many new opportunities. This very nice school, very nice event.
చాలా బాగుంది స్కూల్లో అన్ని ఫంక్షన్స్ బాగానే చేస్తున్నారు చాలా బాగుంది స్కూల్ ఇది
This is one of the amazing things what I've seen after a long time. Probably after 20-25 years, I've seen such a wonderful presentation.
Yes, thank you. First of all, inviting us for this great event, and I'm truly blown by the talent of these particular kids because they have demonstrated the extreme level of creativity while demonstrating the math science. And being a scientist in nature, my inclination is towards the science and creativity, and their creativity is at peak level. So thanks to all, and kudos to entire team of the faculties plus the supporters, supporting staff, and especially honorable Principal Pam for organizing this event. Thank you. It's a great event. Kudos to entire team. Thank you.
This is my kid. His name is Gaman. It's been great to be here. I just roamed around. I checked stalls everywhere. I learned how to teach my kid at home creatively. It was really helpful.
Yeah, it's a great place to mingle with these kids, and school activity is very good actually speaking. So there are many activities. We can see a lot of talent over here. So especially Pallavi Model School is doing great actually with the teachers, and they are nurturing the children's like anything. Yeah.
Especially I'm in the primary block right now, and I could see children are very active in the sense like they were able to do, and here they are teaching how to learn things. So that was actually a good thing, and kids are actively participating in, and they are vibrant. Okay, I really appreciate management for creating a space for them to grow, learn, and excel in what they are doing it. So I really appreciate and I should appreciate all the teachers who have put in a lot of effort. It's a colorful world out here, and thank you so much.
It's a very wonderful function, very well managed, and we thoroughly enjoyed. Even the kids also enjoyed the activities and games and all. It was very well arranged and beautifully decorated and all. We are very happy, and we hope there will be more programs like this from Pallavi, especially from the pre-primary department.
మన ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్స్కి చాలా చాలా ఇప్పుడు ప్రతి దాంట్లో కూడా దే ఆర్ టేకింగ్ దట్ హెల్ప్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పేరెంట్స్, టీచర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్వాల్వింగ్ వెరీ నైస్, అండ్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఏ గుడ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, అండ్ దేర్ అవుట్పుట్ కూడా చాలా బాగుందండి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్ ఇనిషియేటివ్ ఫ్రమ్ పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్.
సో టుడే ఐ వాజ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ మెనీ models will be there, and what I like most is the information, the knowledge. I felt like today every room is occupying lot of knowledge in a different way, and kids are explaining like amazing. I have no word actually to explain. They are very fabulous, very nicely made the projects. Even AI project I like most, even the Jharkhand, how I also don't know how to make the from coal to the energy and the electricity. It was like amazing.
The kind of knowledge base and the kind of presentation they have given in the exhibitions, that is awesome and out of the way. We can't believe the kids of like class 2, class 3, even for the AI, which is the latest one going in the market. These guys from class 5, class 6, they are talking about AI and making the computerized systems and all. Above the all, that the Hindi related exhibition is totally amazing and unbelievable. The small kids are talking in Hindi, and they are having lots of bunch of knowledges about the Hindi, which is going on nowadays. There is no school is there which is giving in-depth kind of knowledge. The good thing, the best part of this Jharkhand, the whole the narration and the exhibition of the Jharkhand is totally amazing, and everyone who is out of the Jharkhand can come and see, and they can know a lot of knowledge about the Jharkhand. It's really great.
And actually my kid is participating in one of the event today, so we came here and we are very happy to see that Pallavi High School has started an initiation like this, like Yuva 1.0 Uda 1.0, and it is very excellent. All the children are very very proactive and doing such type of events. I think the children can excel in whatever field they choose.
Yeah, and even just I gone through like all the children participations. They have presented very well, and whatever they are doing, it is so innovative and so excellence they are in what they are explaining. So we are going forward also, we are expecting same kind of initiations from the Pallavi group of schools.
Yeah, so she's my daughter studying in grade 1. So I've been here for last 4 years, and I really feel the progress is very good, especially the one what I saw there. They are using the ChatGPT and LLM model, so which I feel is very good, especially for students in the grade 7 and 8. Yeah, so yeah, continue the good work and all the best.
పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్లో చేసినటువంటి బాలమేళ చాలా బాగుందండి, కనువిందుగా ఉంది చూడడానికి. తర్వాత పిల్లలు కూడా వాళ్ళ ఎఫర్ట్స్ చూపించారు, ఫ్యాకల్టీ కూడా చాలా కష్టపడ్డారు. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన సపోర్ట్ వల్లనే ఈరోజు ఈ పిల్లలందరూ కూడా చేయగలిగినారండి. మాకు పేరెంట్స్కి చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ప్రతి ఐటమ్ను నేను విజిట్ చేశాను, నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది, తృప్తికరంగా కూడా ఉంది. స్పెషల్లీ ఈ కాలంలో రైతు యొక్క విలువ ఏమిటి అన్నది వాళ్ళు బాగా చెప్పారు మనకు. కానీ ప్రస్తుత పరిస్థితులలో ఏం చేస్తున్నారండి, ఈ టెక్నాలజీ ఉపయోగించిన తర్వాత ఈ పాత రైతులు మర్చిపోతున్నారు. కాబట్టి అది కాదు, ఆ రైతు అన్నవాడు కష్టపడి పని చేసినప్పుడే మనకు మన దేశానికి పుష్కలంగా ఆహారం దొరుకుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. దిస్ బాలమేళ ఈజ్ చాలా బాగుంది అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. వన్స్ అగైన్ మై హార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ఆల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.